scratch, right? Now let's talk about footwear. And here's an autographed pair of G-Unit sneakers you can come and check out, right? So when I went on tour to launch the magazine, Reebok and Foot Locker were the partners. Jay-Z had a different strategy with his Reebok deal. And when you get the book, we actually have in-depth interviews from his manager, even his late manager, Chris Lighty, that's no longer with us, unfortunately, to his other manager, who's now manager of Diddy, which is James Cruz, to 50 Cent, to his DJ, Who Kid, to give you a real good background on where their mentality was and where their vision was from the beginning. Because I feel as entrepreneurs, it's good to get the story, but you want to get the evolution of the mindset, right? You want to get like, okay, well, when they were at my stage, before they saw it all happening, what was he feeling? So, Foot Locker is a retail partner. Reebok is doing this sneaker. They have branded buses, they're doing retail, so the artists are able to go in and do in stores and also do some direct marketing engagement in markets. 50 Cent said he wanted a wider base than what Jay-Z was doing. Jay-Z was selling like luxury. 50 Cent said, well, there are more people with $80 than $100. And then he also had a social impact tied in. For every 50 cents, so he said $80.50, so for every 50 cents will be donated to charity from every sneaker sale. He would wind up selling over 4 million sneakers, according to him, 6 million sneakers. He would be paid $80 million, according to him. New York Times had reported that in the first year of the deal, he got paid $20 million. Now think about this. LeBron James was a phenom at that time. LeBron James, with all the hoopla with Nike, did not make $20 million a year at that time. And 50 Cent was getting $20 million a year from Reebok. Reebok would wind up getting sold to Adidas for $3.8 billion with the G-Unit sneakers. And it wasn't only sneakers, they sold boots and other accessories.